All right, good day, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to this overview of Crypto Fortune, and let's see how you can be rewarded for your participation in this protocol. My name is Johan Botha. I'm from South Africa. Take note, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice in any ways. I'm just here to educate you about this platform and how you can be rewarded when you participate in this platform as well. So we're gonna start with two short videos, and then I'm gonna go into more detail about the platform and its operations itself. Thank you. Enjoy.
333% daily. To most people, that sounds like a red flag. In the traditional world, you'd be right to be skeptical. But let me be super clear, this isn't a trading company. There are no secret bots, no mysterious CEOs, and definitely no black box investments you have to blindly trust. Crypto Fortune runs as a peer-to-peer DeFi protocol. No middlemen, no funny business. It's all managed by an immutable smart contract. The whole thing is powered by the global community. Here, rewards come strictly from participation, not some magic trading formula. Let's tackle the big question: is this a Ponzi? Here's the difference. Classic Ponzis have hidden ledgers and secret leaders, but here in Crypto Fortune, the code is public, and code is law. And anyone can check the contract balance live on the blockchain. Total transparency, no secrets. Plus, the protocol is global. That means while you're sleeping, someone on the other side of the world is participating. Liquidity flows in and out constantly, around the clock. This isn't a system that pauses or sleeps. And about that 3.33%, it's not trading profit, it's a programmed reward for each 30-day participation cycle. The math is hard-coded, and nobody, not even the creators, can mess with it. You use your SafePal wallet to interact directly with the smart contract. Each day, like clockwork, your reward is triggered and paid out, automatically. At Team FIB 777, we don't make wild guesses, we just follow the protocol. So, instead of hunting for risky investments, maybe it's time to understand how decentralized technology really works. Now, take a second to read the financial disclaimer on screen. Crypto always carries risk. Never put in more than you can afford to lose, and past performance is not indicative of future results. Kindly get back to the person who sent you this video.
Thank you. That is the one video. That's the short overview. That's just putting it in a nutshell. And take note, it is not a financial or investment platform program or company. It's not a company, like in the traditional sense of the word that people are used to. And here's a breakdown of the PDF presentation done by Gemini AI. And someone has put this, used a notebook to make this presentation. Just 5 minutes long.
Platform that's been making some noise, Crypto Fortune. We're going to walk through exactly what they're promising, what they say is powering it all, and of course, how they claim you can make money. And just to be clear, everything we're looking at today comes straight from their own materials. Okay, so where do we begin? Let's start with how Crypto Fortune introduces itself. They call it a community-driven solution for making money in this, futuristic digital economy. They really lean on three big words right out of the gate: automation, transparency, and immutability. Keep those in mind because we'll see them pop up again. So that brings us to our first section, the Crypto Fortune promise. Let's dig into what they're actually putting on the table here. What's the big vision? So they lay out both a mission and a vision. The mission, they say, is all about giving people the power to earn from the blockchain with a system that's simple and trustworthy. But then you have the vision, and that's way more ambitious. They're talking about becoming a global leader in this space, making this kind of income a real possibility for anyone, anywhere, and, pushing for financial freedom for all. Okay, that's a big promise. So how do they say they'll pull it off? Well, they've got what they call their 4 key pillars. They're saying it's 100% automated with smart contracts. It's 100% transparent because you can see everything on the blockchain. And here's the kicker. They claim it's 100% decentralized with no admin, no single person or company in charge. All right, let's move on. Now we're going to peek under the hood and look at the tech they say is making all of this work. The whole thing, they say, is built on what's called a smart contract. And you can see the definition right there. But really, what is it? Think of it like a digital vending machine. It's an agreement written in code that just runs itself. The whole point is to automate everything and get rid of the middleman. In theory, that makes things more secure and way more efficient. So what's this smart contract running on? Well, they've chosen the Binance Smart Chain. And their presentation gives 5 specific reasons. Why? We're talking low transaction fees, super fast transactions, like around 3 seconds. It's easy to use, it's part of a huge trusted ecosystem, and it's a secure and reliable network. At least, that's the claim. Okay, so we've covered the promises and the tech. But let's be real. The big question on everyone's mind is, how do you actually make money with this thing? So let's get into the earning mechanisms. And here it is, the headline number that jumps right off the page, 3.33%. This is what they're presenting as your daily return on investment for up to 30 days. So how does it work? Well, the investment is laid out in 3 cycles. The first cycle, you can put in anywhere from $10 to $500. Finish that 30-day term, and boom, you unlock the second cycle, where the limit jumps to $2,000. And if you complete that one, you get to the third and final cycle with a $5,000 limit. Now for all 3, the core promise is exactly the same, that 3.33% daily return, and they say you get your initial investment back after the 30 days are up. But wait, there's more. This is where things get interesting, because the model isn't just about your own investment. They introduce 2 other ways to earn, and both are all about team building. You've got referral income and rank rewards. Let's take a look at how this referral system is set up. On the left here, you can see the breakdown of what you earn from your referrals, and it goes down a whopping 20 levels, starting at 5% for the people you bring in directly. But on the right, you see there's a catch. To unlock those deeper levels, you have to hit certain targets. You need to increase your own investment and get a specific number of direct referrals. And that brings us to the last way they say you can earn, a rank and reward system. This one's pretty straightforward. It's an 8-level system where you get one-time bonuses for hitting team-building milestones. It starts small, with a $50 bonus for hitting Explorer, but it goes all the way up to a $10,000 bonus if you can reach the top rank, Victor. So that covers the how you earn part. This leads us to the final piece of the puzzle. How do you actually get started? What steps does the presentation lay out? Okay, so getting started is laid out in 4 clear steps. Step 1, download a Web3 wallet. That's basically your digital wallet for crypto. Step 2, you've got to fund that wallet with 2 specific cryptos. You need USDT, which is a stable coin for the actual investment, and you need some BNB to cover the network fees. Step 3, you have to register using a referral link. And step 4, the final step, make that investment and, as they say, enjoy. Now, this next part is really important, and they make a big deal about it in the presentation, wallet compatibility. They specifically recommend using MetaMask, TokenPocket, or SafePal. And look at this. They give a very, very direct warning, literally in all caps, telling you not to use Trust Wallet. They say it just isn't supported. All right, before we wrap this up, let's take a look at what you might call the fine print. This slide lays out some really important terms about how this all works. Things like withdrawals, fees, the stuff you really need to be aware of. So let's break down the key points here. The minimum you can withdraw is just $5. Every single time you withdraw, there's a 5% protocol deduction, basically a fee. The investment cycle is always a fixed 30 days. And this last one is interesting. Your initial investment, your principal, is described as eligible to be returned after the 30 days, subject to rules. That phrasing is definitely something to pay attention to. And really, all of this brings us to one big central question. Whenever you see a platform promising a daily return of 3.33%, just think about what that is on a yearly basis. It's astronomical. What does that promise really imply about the potential risks involved? That's the question we'll leave you with. Thanks for walking through this with us.
All right. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. That was just a short introduction of what Crypto Fortune is and how does it work. So let's look at some details about this. What is Crypto Fortune? I just want to, I have the official presentation, but I broke it down so people can understand it better. I did my own thing here. This is not completely finished yet or properly put in a PowerPoint yet, but let's have a look at that. But first, I must just read this again to you. Financial disclaimer. This is for educational purposes only, and no financial advice is given in this presentation or in this recording. Crypto rewards involve risk like any other thing in the financial space. There is a risk involved. Anything in life is a risk, and it depends on how you manage the risk or mitigate the risks. how you're going to participate in that. And never ever participate with funds that you cannot afford to lose. And past performance is also not indicative of future results. And it's not a guarantee that you will achieve the same results as in the past. Right. So that out of the way, please, let's have a look at the intro to Crypto Fortune and why people are going crazy about this. And some people is going crazy in the other direction. Right, so Crypto Fortune is a peer-to-peer decentralized finance protocol managed by the immutable smart contract of which the ownership has been renounced. Basically, the owners or the developers has taken the key and they threw it away. No one can get access back to the smart contract. And the users are participating, very important to understand this, participating in the protocol and receive rewards for their participation. Right, you do not deposit money or invest your funds and you receive return on your investment. This is not an investment platform, like in the traditional sense of the word. Right, so it's using the model of money rotation to generate the 3.3% value. That's what most people cannot understand, and including myself. In the beginning when I saw this, I said totally outright, no, this is not going to work. How is it possible? Until I studied a bit deeper about the smart contract and saw that, and this is what makes the big difference. This is not managed by people that you need to trust. Here you do not trust people, you trust something, and that is the smart contract, which cannot be changed, which only needs an internet connection to operate. So very important to understand, it's using the model of money rotation to generate the 3.33% daily. And currently in the market, there is no other platform product that can give you this returns. So let's have a look at what it is not. It is not a trading platform. It is not buying and selling of stocks or any commodities in the stock market. Right? This is cryptocurrency trading. This is no funds are generated from external activities or sources, and it is not the custodian of any funds. Your funds is only locked or staked in the smart contract for 30 days. And that is what is used to give you, or to give all the members a 3.33% each and every 24 hours. Right? It's not a company that manages the funds for clients. It's ownership, a free smart contract, which is 100% decentralized. There is no owner. The developers have thrown away the keys for this contract, so that no one can make any changes to this. Right, it's a peer-to-peer decentralized protocol, and this is the educational overview presented by myself. I'm an independent crypto educator and affiliate marketer, and I'm from Hartbeespoort, South Africa. And this is for the presentation for this month. Right, so what is Crypto Fortune? Again, I emphasize it and I repeat some of these things. It's a peer-to-peer, person-to-person, decentralized finance protocol built on the Binance Smart Chain, as you heard in the video as well. Right? It's managed entirely by an immutable smart contract. The ownership has been renounced, and I'll prove that to you as well. Right? It's automated. It's non-custodial, so users are in control of their funds. You must only make sure that you have access to your 12 words of your wallet that you registered on the smart contract. That is, keep that very, very safe, and let nobody get hold of those 12 words. All right, the official smart contract, this is very important. Since the launch of Crypto Fortune, there's popped up many copycat platforms because they want to imitate and copy what Crypto Fortune has achieved already. But they do not have, or do not even get traction in the market. And they will go to unethical ways to create false narratives in the market, to spread fear and panic, and they create reviews on YouTube. They pay reviewers to make YouTube reviews, and that creates panic because people click on them and they want to see what's going on, and then they get into a panic state and they start spreading false news, and they create more panic. But they must come to the real source of the information and look at what is happening, because you need to understand how this thing works. Right, so the core features of the protocol, it's immutable and it's automated execution. You don't press buttons. The contract executes automatically. When your 24 hours expires, you can check your back office. Go to your cycles tab and watch when the time elapses for the 24 hours for that specific cycle investment or reinvestment. You will see it updates immediately. It's code that runs exactly as it was deployed or programmed to do. And there's no administration intervention there, no third-party intervention there. It's a non-custodial design, your keys, your funds. So, as I said, nobody's got access to your funds. That's the main thing. No one has got access to the funds in the smart contract as well, because there is no backdoors, there is no way that anyone can get access to those funds. All right, it's also audited by a third party, and it's continuously monitored by that same third party, and that is called Hayes Crypto Securities. All right, so they monitor this smart contract platform 24/7, and we'll go there and look at that as well. Right, so it's participation rewards. It's tied to the active involvement via the smart contract logic. That is where the funds are generated, where the funds come from, the 3.33%. It's from the participation of the users worldwide. The money gets pulled into the smart contract and it is distributed by the smart contract according to the code written in the smart contract itself. Right, so how is the rewards distributed? What I was just saying to you is the daily reward of 3.33% every 24 hours is distributed as per the contract code, which no one can change. The owners cannot go back and change that 3.33% to 5% now, or to 1%. It will always stay 3.33%, as long as there is participation and liquidity in the smart contract. Now, remember, every cycle is locked for 30 days. So when John joins today, for 30 days that he joins with $100. For 30 days, that $100 will be in the smart contract. Right? But John is not the only one that's joining. So many other people is joining him, and their funds goes into the pool for 30 days. But they're not joining on the same time and same day as well. So when John cycles expire after 30 days, then there's still funds in the smart contract to pay out the other existing members, because there's still funds in there, and their cycles only expires on the day after that, and not on the same day exactly. That's the reason why people are, what you saw in the video as well, people from around the world in different time zones are participating in this platform. Right, and the execution, it is the immutable code ensures the automatic distribution as long as the liquidity and the participation continues. And this is a very important point to understand. And it's like in any business, anything in life, any work, anything in the economy. If there is no participation, there can be no profit. There can be no progress. Like in anything in life. If there's no participation, there won't be any results. So yes, this is totally up to us, to the community, to make it work and to keep it for as long as we want it to be, because the demand is there. The demand is, what is the demand? It's also the product. Is the 2x your funds in 30 days. Right? The demand will always be there. The demand will never stop, and the supply is within the community, within ourselves. Right? So everyone wants to increase their funds by 100% each and every day. I don't know anybody that will say no to that. Right, so a critical note that you have to understand that there is no guarantees. Like in anything in life, nobody can guarantee anything. No one is guaranteed of the next hour you're going to be alive. You're not guaranteed if you going to drive your car, you cannot not be in an accident. So no one can guarantee you anything. But if you do not get into your vehicle and drive from point A to point B, you will not reach point B. So yes, and on the way from point A to point B, you might encounter some hazards along the way, but you need to negotiate them and mitigate the risks involved to manage those hazards. All right. So you decide what you want to do, how you want to do it. right? Obviously, in Crypto Fortune, everything depends entirely on the ongoing pool activity, meaning the participation of the users and also the market conditions. Right? Market conditions doesn't really have a big effect on us because we are being paid with the USDT, which is expected United States dollar. But we know in markets, the financial markets, anything can happen. So that is, we're not getting paid in Bitcoin or in BNB that is fluctuating the whole time again, up and down. And as we have seen the last couple of days and weeks, the crypto market has been in the red constantly. All right. We are getting paid in a US dollar pegged stable coin, which does not fluctuate in value. All right. So, and how long will it sustain for? How long do you want to double your funds? That's actually the question you need to ask yourself. And I see my internet signal is very low. You might find me, I'm breaking up. But anyways, let's continue. So there's also an anti-whale system built into the liquidity pool to protect it from whales, big investors trying to manipulate and drain the liquidity pool at once. Right, so there's phased self-deposit limits designed to promote fair access and sustainable liquidity. Each first member, or when you join, that first 30 days is capped at the maximum $500 self-deposit from outside, external deposit. You can, however, reinvest inside the platform more than $500. And then after your 30 days, the smart contract will release your principal deposit immediately when the 30 days expires. You need to claim it or reinvest it. You have the choice. So now, day 31, you are eligible to increase your deposit up to $2,000 for that next cycle of 30 days. Right? Take note, it's from outside external deposit up to $2,000. From inside the platform, you can reinvest above $2,000. Right? And then after your second cycle is finished, then same thing will happen. You will receive the note in your back office, that it will be released back to you. You need to choose. Do you take the money and go home, or do you reinvest for another 30 days? So to increase your funds further, whatever you have available, you open or you enter into cycle 3, where your maximum deposit will now be able to update it to $5,000 for the third 30-day cycle, or day 90. From day 61 to day 90. Right, so the goal of this anti-whale mechanism is to prevent dominance by large players, people that is wanting to manipulate the small players and the people that doesn't have much money. And this encourages a balanced participation. Now you want to ask, but I want to put in $1,000 or $2,000 from the start. You can do that, but then you just need to open more accounts. Each account is capped at $500 for the first 30 days. Right? And after that, it opens up to $2,000. That you are also able to do. There's no limit to the number of positions or accounts you can have in Crypto Fortune. Obviously, as much as you can manage. And you will see at some stage it gets quite busy. You will need to think about how many you want to manage. Right, so this will help to maintain the pool stability during early growth phases. Right, we are just 47 days old today, 48 days today. We started on the 6th of January this year. And here you can see it's just a picture of it. Your first cycle is from $10 to $500. We do not suggest people coming with $10 because your money is just going to be in the system for 30 days, and you're going to double it basically. You're going to get another $10, and then there's a 5% withdrawal fee as well, and a 5% when you claim the principal. So, and you will not receive any referral bonuses if you do refer people. Then you need the minimum of $20. Now that $20 can be from external from the start, or you can increase it with your bonuses that you receive and your ROI. You can add to become $20 or more, then you will qualify to receive referral bonuses. All right. Also take note, it is not compulsory for you to refer people. You do not need to do that. It's totally optional, but it is highly advisable because there's much more money for you to make there. All right. I will not go in detail to the compensation plan. We'll just touch on that. It's just taking some time. We only have a limit of 40 minutes in this meeting. All right, then your second cycle, you can deposit up to $2,000, and in your third cycle, you can deposit up to $5,000. All right, so let's understand the risks clearly. This is very, very important. Remember, this platform is open, it's transparent, it's not a Ponzi scheme that is the operations are hidden. Nobody knows where the funds goes or what's happening to the funds. Everything is clear, it's visible, it's transparent there. Right? There's a high volatility and there's in the crypto markets, obviously. And there's a potential total loss, like in anything in life, in any financial market. Nobody can guarantee anything. Right? That is, you need to know that. And you must understand that there is a risk, but if you do not take the risk, then you will not receive the reward as well. Right? So I just need to tell this to you so that you must be aware of that. And then there's smart contract vulnerabilities. What happens when the internet collapses completely? That is the one reason for this platform not to continue if there's a total collapse of the internet. If you do not have any access to the internet. But the chances of that happening is very, very, very minimal and very slim. Right, so this will prevent users from participating in the protocol if they don't have access to the internet. But the smart contract itself is flawless in its operation. And the codes cannot be changed. It will operate like that, and the smart contract will execute the codes exactly as it was coded to do. Right? Now the liquidity and the sustainability risk. This is the biggest one that most people are worried about. And the rewards rely on the continuous new participation. And it can slow or it can stop. And this is where we come in, I come in, you come in. All right? As long as we participate, there will be rewards. That is basically the long and the short of it. Participate, get rewarded. Do not participate, you will not get rewarded. It's the long and the short of it. There's no black and white. All right, we are clear and straight up from the front. I'm telling you that. If there's no participation, you cannot expect anything to be produced or any profit to come or any reward to be received. Right, but if you do participate, your reward is very, very, very lucrative. So yes, you can double your funds in 30 days. Right, then there's the risk of the chain of the BNB chain itself or the blockchain. It might get hacked, but not Crypto Fortune, the BNB chain itself. And then also regulatory changes by governments that might impact you. But currently there is none of that. Right? Then always remember, nothing in crypto and in life in general is risk-free or guaranteed. But if you compare it with other products, let's compare apples with apples. If you compare Crypto Fortune with any other platform, the benefits far outperforms any other products or platforms currently in the market. Right? And we do not want to badmouth other people or make them look bad, but this is what we are teaching you or educating you on what Crypto Fortune can give you. Right, the third-party verification from the auditor is Crypto Securities. The audit has been completed and is ongoing 24/7 real-time monitoring. We'll go to there now. Okay, and then also they do tell you, they give you a high-risk warning as well, which the high confidence indicates, it's indicated in the public dashboard. Right, you'll see that now. And also the value, it increases transparency. But audits do not eliminate all risks. So yes, and we know that when people can see the audits, it can either work both ways. It can work for you or it can work against you. Like people will look at the liquidity pool the whole time, and then they will start, somebody will say something and people will misinterpret it, and then they will think that no, this is not going to work, that they're not going to participate. But in the meantime, they must just participate to be rewarded. That's actually all that you need to do. Right, and then also stay safe, verify that the protocol is real. There's already copycat sites, as I've stated before, and then make sure that you're on the correct website with the correct smart contract address ending with 05BF2. Only website, the real one, is cryptofortune.live, not cryptofortune.co or something else. Right, because they look exactly the same. And always check the smart contract on the BSC scan for real activity and the code, and I will go there now. All right, and tip, fakes often fail to gain real traction, as we have seen that the copycat sites, they do not get any traction in the market, and then they create fear and false narrative in the market to create panic among the existing users, and then they might cause people to withdraw the funds, and then that will also not be beneficial for the platform. Right, so only use verified sources only. Don't go and click on any YouTube article or review. I'm not saying do not do your own due diligence. You must do that. But get the information at the correct and the right sources. Anybody can put anything on YouTube today. And YouTube is not automatically monitoring anything or listening to every word. Right, certain things you can do and certain things you cannot do. But they're using age-old tactic, and it's actually very unethical to do that and to get, because YouTube pays them for the views. And there's many YouTubers worldwide today doing that for a living, a full-time job. And that's how they're getting paid, by getting more views to their channels. So any negative news that drives the market and drives the click, we call it clickbait. And that's how YouTube pays them at the end of the day, because they're advertising for those other advertising companies that is advertising on YouTube. That's how they make money. And that's actually a very unethical way to earn an income, by creating doubt and unbelief and using false stories and lies to generate income for you. So do not click on those negative reviews. People like to do that. That is the thing that probably most people, you cannot resist to know what, or you're intrigued and you're very curious to know, you want to know. Now you go and click there, and you don't even know it, but you are paying them in effect. And that causes the algorithm of YouTube to push that out into the internet much more, and then more people will click on it. So refrain from doing that. Come to the correct sources, the verified sources, the official YouTube channels and official networks, where you can get the correct information. And as I said to you, we are open about everything here. The main thing is participation. In any business, if there's no participation, there won't be any profit, there won't be any reward. But if there is participation, you will be rewarded handsomely. This is what you will get, 3.33% each and every 24 hours. Right. So let's have a look at the bottom. Key takeaways. Okay, it's immutable. Please manage your profile and your account responsibly and stay safe. Right. Stay away from copycat sites and from people trying to put fear and panic in your mind, because they know not everyone understands smart contracts, and they will tell you stories and you will think that it's true, or they will show you false screenshots that they can create. Remember, with AI today, you can do basically anything, and you are not, if you are not trained on that, you will not know the difference, and you're getting tricked very quickly. So please be aware of what you do and how you do it. Come to the correct sources and attend the official meetings and trainings and presentations as well. Right, so key takeaways, and this is open for discussion, is the platform is immutable, it's automated, and it is audited. But there is a high risk because it's a financial space. Right, and this is decentralized finance, meaning there's no third party involved in here. It's also not a company that it needs to be registered, and it's not handling the funds of people. All right, so prioritize your own education and verification and be aware of the risks, please. Right, now any questions? I'm going to open for questions now because we only have 2 minutes left. If you did join this meeting, you do not have my direct contact, please try and get back to me somehow because the time is going to catch us now. All right, and I will be happy to discuss any questions or concerns that you might have. All right, so let's just use this last 2 minutes. If there's anybody that wants to ask a question, please raise your hand. So I can try and get back to you if anybody. Hey, Brown, let me meet you. I saw your hand there. Yes, Mr. Brown.
Hi. Yes, good morning, Tim. This is Brown from Zambia.
Welcome.
Am I audible?
Yes.
Okay, so Joanne, what I wanted to find out is this. Of course, I realize and understand the immutability, of the platform, like it's been explained. But now, what is happening, where because of the way people are acting, just come in the platform, they invest, and then after 30 days, they get everything, and the liquidity is actually deeply affected. And as the KK said yesterday, there are those remedial measures which have been taken. So now, just as an in-house, because I understand when we talk about immutability, it means that no one will be able to change anything in the system. How do we explain this? Because obviously there's been changes that have been made, and yet we are saying there's immutability in this. So of course I understand the need for that, but how do we explain this? Yeah, that's my question.
All right, thank you. Yes, I've got your question there. We only have 1 minute, so I'll try to explain this very briefly. As I understand it, that there is some built-in codes in the smart contract to kick in or to activate when certain parameters are met. So what we heard on that voice note this morning is that if it stabilizes again, the withdrawals will be open as normal in another 3 days. But that also depends on the participation of the community. So, of the technical details of the smart contract, I'm not sure. All of the codes, but the other codes that they must pay you out and when it must release funds, those cannot be changed. And that is that is what I can tell you at this moment.
Yeah. Oh, okay. Yeah.